gotta check. Every time that I go live, I check the rooms. I check all the scenes to make sure that they're working. But I did not check the mic. Made sure it was plugged in, and that's about all I checked. Alright, let's make a line going this way. Let's make a star pattern coming from the shoulder. And then let's try that again. Nope, I want angles. Angles. There we go. Angles. Angles. Throw. Angle. And throw. Nope. Don't like that throw. Bad throw. Angles. There we go. There we go. Let's add some of this over here. I think I drew this incorrectly, so I think this line is supposed to go like this, because that's how muscles work. Let's work on the other shoulder. All right, let's give some depth over here. these folds. Sit down. So I heard a good dad joke the other day. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Here it comes. Ready? You can't explain sarcasm to a kleptomaniac because they take everything literally. Because they take everything literally. I know, right? They take everything literally? Alright, okay. I think you get it. If you don't get it by now, you're not gonna get it. So my daughter comes home tomorrow night for spring break. For Easter, actually spring break has already gone, but currently they get another spring break. They get an Easter break on top of spring break. Oh, you know what? That was in the wrong place. Let's undo those hatches. This is the way it should be on the underside of this fold.